to another episode of Social Accord on Humans of Giving. I hope everyone's doing well and accepting this new normal as we are trying to get stable and settle again. Well, you must be wondering why I'm so excited today. So let's just not wait for the more and get connected with our today's guest, Mr. Tanveer Khan, a kind human who is a development sector professional, is working and connecting with us straight from Kolkata. I hope I'm correct in this. You are from Kolkata and you
Yeah.
are okay.
I'm
So
basically
hello Tanveer.
Joy.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'm from the city of Joy, Kolkata.
Okay. Well, my I'm also somewhere. I'm half Kolkata person, so আমি একটু একটু বাংলা পারি. We can talk in Bengali as well if you want.
Absolutely. Yeah, yeah, sure. We will.
Okay. Okay. So hi Tanveer. First, tell me how are you and how's Kolkata? It's been long. I haven't visited.
Start with yes, I am a Bong guy. I'm from Kolkata, and we always look for things which are new to the city. And hosting iPledge in Kolkata was a big deal for me. And trust me, people appreciate it, and they have taken up board. So that was a great part. Thank you to the entire team and Alex for coming up such a wonderful platform where it's just not about donation. It's not about getting people involved. It's also about trust building factors. It's also about making a change in people's life. So yes, I'm really looking forward to this session, and you are a wonderful host, Pravina, indeed.
Thank you so much. Well, Tanveer, I went through your profile and I saw that, oh my God, this person is doing so much of work. And it's very, difficult to adjust with that and to understand what sort of work you are doing because at the same time, you are doing a lot of things. So please tell our audience that what exactly you are working on right now and what work you have done in the past.
Okay. So coming back to the because even my audience are very much confused about my profile, like because they have seen me in fashion, they have seen me in other domains also, they have seen me in
Yeah.
social sort of an entrepreneur line. So they literally got confused. How can a corporate guy come to a social setup? How can
Tanvir,
a
I'm so
social
sorry to cut you here. आप क्या please अपना mic सामने ला सकते हैं because it's very low.
I think is this better now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what I was saying here is literally my audience are also very much confused about my profile. But they know one thing, if there is Tanvi, then there has to be work. If there is Tanvi, there has to be some authenticity in the work. So this is what I stand for because I believe that everyone has a brand to tell or a story to tell about. So I feel that I am brand of myself. And why this brand? Because people trust me, people love me a lot. This is how I created myself. So coming back from a corporate background to the social and now into the fashion was not a big deal though, because I'm a people loving person. And for me, each project, each task is as equal, as important to the another level altogether. So for me, if it is a fashion or if it is a social or if it is like my regular work, no matter how, I always wanted to put my dedication on and give the best wherever I can. So it's all about me. Yes, I come with expertise of more than 10 years into this development sector and working with multiple corporates on board for the CSR and the HR forum. At the same time, I established my two venture, which is called Kolkata Heroes. And under the banner of Kolkata Heroes, we have one of the very authentic award. We have marathon itself, we have networking events, we have social sort of a sabbatical break where people come and volunteer their time and skills. At the same time, I have my profitable venture, which is called Queens Entertainment, where we do films, we do film PRs, whatnot, like fashion shows and everything. I have my own fashion magazine. And then, yeah, we are into shoots. So, see, what I believe in, nothing can stop you if you, and you are the one who stop yourself. So, that's all about me.
Okay. Talking about development sector, tell me what it is.
So,
Like, what is the
development.
work you? What is your work profile and what exactly you do?
Okay. So, when we say development sector, so
Can
you
you
must have seen.
pull
Yeah.
up the
Is
mic?
this better? Yeah. Is this better?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So, lot if you see in Facebook, there's a trend which is going now. Everyone is a social activist. Everyone is a social worker, but we need some professional to come on board and help you and guide you the social structure of the society. So I am working as a development sector, and what this development sector is all about. It's all about planning. It's also comes about that why you be doing it. So social work is also one of our study. It's also one of a domain where people need to study as they study for ITs and everything. So you need to work upon, you need to do a sabbatical where you need to understand that if you are actually going and helping poor, how you're creating an impact. So to understand the need analysis of the society, and also to the break where you see the outcome or the sort of an impact which you're giving to the society. So being as a development sector, my role is to understand or scope out the need of the society, at the same time do well for the society and see what are the changes we are trying to make in the society. So it's all about mapping, it's all about talking about the social work. So लोगों को पता नहीं होता है, it's just not about going and giving the food. We need to talk about the sustainability. So when it comes to the sustainability part, we come as a professional to help you, because see, we need expertise on board to come with and help the society at large.
Okay. सो तनवीर, आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि जब आप ज्यादा काम करते हो और अलग अलग फील्ड में काम करते हो तो आप एक्सप्लोर करते हो, आपको बहुत तरीके, मतलब मेरा ऐसा बिलीव है, मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आप बहुत तरीके की चीजों को सीखते हो. This is the reason why I believe in exploration, and so I do a lot of other work apart from what my major work is. But on this note, because you are a person who is doing so much different work, like commercial thing, then social, and it's like very different from what the first work is. Like it's very different. So tell me, what is your belief?
See, my belief, and I always believe in one sentence, that every day there is new chance or a new platform to talk about, or to spread smile, or to do something which is productive. See, why I'm saying this productive is just one simple example, which I really want to highlight. We have seen in pandemic, there are a lot of people who were going to the streets and they were really trying to feed people, correct? So most of the time, what they do, their scope is to feed people. But what impact lies here, we need to understand whether that person to whom we are giving actually the food or the food packet, we need to understand whether that person actually needs food or not. हम random देकर आ जाते हैं, correct? So this is the whole and sole idea. So my inspiration comes from, because I believe that, see, we all are a volunteer inside. We really want to contribute time and effort, but वो sustainability ये long term के लिए तभी जाता है when actually we see impact. It's just not about giving, it's also about receiving from the society. So I really want to change one thing here, and that makes me inspired to work more and more to the social aspect, because जितना मैंने दिया है उससे ज्यादा मैंने receive किया है, and receiving in the form of smiles, in the form of impact, I really want to see in the society. So लोगों को खाना खिलाना, that's important, but then उससे ज्यादा important है कि आप समझें कि लोगों को खाना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, और चाहिए तो किस फोरम में चाहिए. Correct. So the moral support is one of the major aspects that we need to understand. So scoping or identifying or the need analysis is as equal important as we really want to see an impact.
Right. On this note, Tanveer, I want to know कि आप इतना सारा काम कर रहे हैं. Of course, मैं ये बार बार रिपीट कर रही हूँ because जब कोई आपका काम जानेगा तो वो समझेगा कि मैं ऐसा क्यों बार बार रिपीट कर रही हूँ. But coming back to the question, आप इतना काम कर रहे हैं, आपको इंस्पिरेशन क्या मिला कि आप सोचे कि चलो okay, this and then this and then this and then you kept on going, you didn't stop. I mean, I think there are 4 ventures right now you are hosting, which is
Yeah,
your own.
absolutely. So,
And there are, apart from that, which you volunteer, and there are many other, I mean, I haven't counted, but I think there are 8 or 9 uh, things which is mentioned and you're
absolutely.
working on presently. And that is the reason why I'm saying this, ki what kept you going and what is the inspiration?
See, inspiration also start with the kind of the zeal. So you need to understand why you're doing it. Uh, मेरे को क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि मैं क्यों कर पाता, और आई थिंक द मेजर फैक्टर इज टू अंडरस्टैंड what is your priority. Correct. It's not about doing, it's also about setting up your priorities. So मेरे पास में कोई भी चीज आता है, I never say no to them. I always explore myself. It's not about exploring others. I always wanted to explore myself and see where I fit in and where I learn the most. Correct. So for me, every day there is some or the other learning, and I always believe that no matter what, no matter where, no matter how, you are the only one who can actually bring up smiles. You are, it could be in any form,
not about only the social aspect, why people keep this social as the different object altogether. It is, I think it's in the blood for the people to contribute. And see, आप अगर पैशनेट नहीं हो किसी भी चीज के लिए, आप जितना भी अच्छा कर लो वो अच्छा नहीं हो पाएगा. So what I sort of inspire people to do, it's people see me as one of a very active, very passionate. तो जो चीजों में मेरी इंटरेस्ट नहीं होती मैं कभी नहीं करता हूँ, जो चीजों में मेरी इंटरेस्ट होती है वो लोगों को इंटरेस्ट दिखाती है. So that's kept me going. And I think acceptance, so you have to accept yourself. See, giving you one example, talking about not from the social background but coming from the point of view of the fashion background also, like a lot of people say that why there's a diff in 2 साल के अंदर में हम आपको बहुत ज्यादा fashion में देखते हैं. So I really want to say, see, wearing designer clothes doesn't makes you model, correct? Or having a camera doesn't makes you a photographer. So you need to understand where you fit in. So I'm into the fashion, definitely I'm into it, but my forte is basically onto the events. My forte is basically into the public relation. And कोई ऐसा domain अब बता दे जहाँ पे public relation नहीं लगता है. So why I'm achieving my goal? Because I believe that I'm a very people oriented person and I love people, and that is where I'm fitting to any of the domain I'm working with.
जो मेरा नेक्स्ट सवाल है उसका काफी रिप्लाई मुझे इसमें मिल गया है, बट फिर भी मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि बिकॉज आपने बहुत सारे काम, बहुत फील्ड एक्सप्लोर किए हैं और बहुत सारे काम कर रखे हैं, व्हाट इज द लेसन यू लर्न? बिकॉज व्हेन यू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क व्हिच इज वेरी डिफरेंट, आपको हर चीज से एक नया सीख मिलता है. तो अगर आप उसको समराइज करके बताएं तो एक ऐसा लेसन जो आपको लगा कि इतना सारा काम करके ये समथिंग, दिस इज माय अल्टीमेट थिंग व्हिच आई हैव लर्नड.
आई थिंक हम क्या हो गए ना, लोग जो ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी हो गया है ना, हम बहुत ज्यादा लोगों में एक्सपेक्टेशंस करते हैं, knowingly unknowingly. I think it's a high time that we should start having expectation from ourselves. हम दूसरों के ऊपर में एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज्यादा थोप देते हैं और वो चीजें क्या होती है आपके लिए बहुत हानिकारक होती है. बिकॉज लॉन्ग रेस के लिए खुद से एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड ये चैलेंजेस की जब हम बात करते हैं ना, मेरी बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस जो हुई वो मेरे साथ हुई है. बिकॉज मैं बिलीव करता हूँ कि अगर मैं चैलेंज करता हूं तो मैं खुद से करता हूं, मैं दूसरों के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूं. एंड वट एवर आई एम डूइंग, आई एम नॉट डूइंग फॉर अदर्स, आई एम डूइंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. बिकॉज दिस कीप मी गोइंग एंड मोटिवेटिंग एंड बीइंग हैप्पी. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कितना मैं कमा रहा हूँ कितना नहीं कमा रहा हूँ. इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट दैट वेदर आई एम हैप्पी. और एंड ऑफ द डे, सी, wherever you working, if you're not happy, then you can't help. So you need to identify.
Expectation.
Absolutely. And this happiness come from the expectation only. Up suppose karo you're working somewhere and you have set a very huge expectation and मुझे पता है कि ये नहीं होने वाला. End of the day, see, end of the hours, you're not happy, correct? So the major learning for me is कि मैं जो भी काम करता हूं मैं अपनी खुशी ढूंढता हूं उसमें. जब तक मैं अपनी खुशी नहीं ढूंढूंगा मैं दूसरों को खुश नहीं रख पाऊंगा. So this was my biggest learning and I kept on going on these front.
आप एक्सपेक्टेशन की बात कर रहे हो, वेल दिस इज समथिंग आई वुड डेफिनेटली आस्क यू टू गिव मी अ पर्सनल क्लास फॉर दिस, बिकॉज आई डू एक्सपेक्ट अ लॉट एंड आई एम श्योर दैट माय टीम इज गोइंग टू अग्री. हम सब लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. आई मीन कम ऑन, इवन यू डू एक्सपेक्ट. इट्स अ ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी एज यू सेड, व्हिच इज वेरी करेक्ट, बट आई ट्राई टू फिगर आउट हाउ टू overcome that, but I'm
Absolutely.
sure I'm not going to do that. You are anyway doing a lot of things and I'm so happy about it. Talking about this, you started being in social work since I think 2010. So
No.
what was that incident?
See,
Am I wrong?
social work, if you really talk about in a very serious note, in a very structured way, then it was 2010. But I was somewhere from the very beginning of my school days, I was into a lot of social activities involved, but then I was not very serious. For me, social activity was ek din ka kaam, hafte mein ek baar kuch karna hai. But my tendency changed when I was when in 2010, when there was a project which I was actually working on, and that really kept me going. That मुझे ये उस वक्त समझ में आया कि कभी कभी हम जो लोगों के लिए करना चाहते हैं ना, they're happy at their own zone. We are the one who are actually pushing them to get it done. कि अरे आप तो हाथ नहीं धोते हैं, आप आपकी मतलब आपकी कम्युनिटीज में आपको आगे बढ़ाना, आपके बच्चों को ज्यादा पढ़ाना है. So there was an instant, I really want to bring this highlight, why what keeps me going all the way. So when I went to a community, so it was a rack pickers community basically, and we were having a chit chat. And I love doing chit chat with the local peoples always. तो there was a saying that मैं उनको हमेशा जाकर बोलता था कि आप अपने बच्चे को पढ़ाइए, आपके बच्चे पढ़कर अच्छे स्कूल में जाएंगे, अच्छे स्कूल से होकर अच्छे जॉब लगेंगे, अच्छी नौकरी करेंगे. So there was a point then they asked me, तनवीर अगर अच्छी नौकरी कर लिया तो सफाई कौन करेगा? एंड ऑफ द डे हमारा काम तो सफाई करना, हम जितने भी अच्छा पढ़ ले. सो दैट वाज अ वन हिच पॉइंट फॉर मी कि they know their work and we are the only one to push them कि आप अच्छा लाइफ कीजिए, अच्छा लाइफ. For them that is the अच्छा लाइफ. हम अपने ऊपर के लोगों को हमेशा दिखते, अरे यार काश मैं वो जगह में होता. वो अपने ऊपर के लोगों को करता, अरे काश मैं अपनी उसकी जगह में होता. तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट सेटिंग योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस हाई एंड हाई. सो ऑलवेज सेट एन एक्सपेक्टेशन, ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड बिलीव जो आप हो एट प्रेजेंट. Accepting yourself is most important. What I'm doing right now, that is more important rather than thinking what I will be doing in future. That was the biggest sort of a break for my life in 2010. I could have uh, gone to a major good job, that way, but I chose to learn new things from the society, and that is where I came to this development sector. But all the way I was also working with the corporates, I was also working with the non-profits. I got an opportunity and I was also working with the like-minded people. So जब तीन लोगों के साथ आपको काम करने का मौका मिले ना, तो आपकी एक्सपीरियंस ऐसे ही एनहांस हो जाती है. एंड आई एम blessed and lucky that way.
Yeah. So what was that incident जो हर किसी के, जब भी मैं किसी सोशल वर्कर से बात करती हूँ, आप भी सोशल वर्कर हो, आप भी इस फील्ड में हो, हर कोई अपनी एक कहानी बताता है, एक बैक स्टोरी बताता है कि दिस वाज द इंसिडेंट और उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि आई शुड बी डूइंग समथिंग फॉर द सोसाइटी. व्हाट वाज योर इंसिडेंट और व्हाट वाज दैट पुश व्हिच केम फ्रॉम योर इनसाइड?
So the push from me was, क्या होता है ना कि जब हम सोशल वर्क में आते हैं, तो as a new volunteer or a newcomer, as a new social worker, we always have that strong zeal 200% to contribute to the society. And कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हमें जो चीज अच्छा लगता है हम वही करते हैं. So there was one instant when we were in the community and then I couldn't went the very next week. So it so happened third week में मैं नहीं गया, fourth week में नहीं. There was so that I received a call from someone saying that, why you're not coming to the the community. So for me it was just a one class. For me, for them it was a life learning lessons, like they were expecting me. तो ये हो जाता है ना कि जब आप किसी के पास जाते हैं ना, तो बहुत सारा प्यार लेकर चले जाते हैं, और जब हटते हैं तो बहुत सारा प्यार लेकर हट जाते हैं. सो यू हैव टू कीप दैट पेस, यू हैव टू कीप दैट बैलेंस. तो लोगों को हमेशा लगता था कि अरे आप एनजीओ से आए हैं तो आपके पास तो बहुत पैसा होने वाला है, आप तो पैसे देने वाले हो, और आप लोगों के पास तो बाहर से बहुत पैसा आता है. एंड माई ओनली सिंपल सेइंग दैट मैं आपको देने नहीं आया हूँ, मैं आपसे लेने आया. बोले अरे मुझसे क्या लेने आया हो, मेरे पास में क्या है, मैं क्या दे सकूंगा, आप क्या मुझे दे सकते हो. तो मैंने बोला आप मुझे प्यार दे सकते हो, मैं आपके साथ बैठ सकता हूँ, मैं आपके साथ खा सकता हूँ, मैं आपके साथ, मतलब मे बी इट वॉज अ चैलेंज मोमेंट फॉर मी टू एक्सेप्ट द कम्युनिटी. बट दैट वॉज द वन थिंग दैट हम क्यों काम करते हैं. We always
जी.
say ना that we are going out of the box. That out of the box जब तक आप accept नहीं करोगे उनको, they will never accept you. So the moment when in 2010 when I started working for Rack Pickers community, then transgender community and others, so it मेरे को लग रहा था ठीक है यार सोशल वर्क है मैं कर रहा हूँ, बट हमारे हिसाब से जब मैंने उनको समझने की कोशिश की, और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझसे ज्यादा वो लोग मुझे समझ रहे हैं. So that was a hitch, and I said, "नहीं नहीं, let's continue this. Let's continue this bar. I should not end this. This should be like my regular homework or a regular like a meal. जैसे में हम नाश्ता करते हैं ना, तो वैसे हमारा रेगुलर काम होना चाहिए." And it so concluded this pandemic when there was a point जब सब लोग परेशान हो रहे थे. I still remember the day of 25th March when people were like ransom here and there just to go and get the ration, uh, you know, आराम से
Yeah.
जमा करके that they can
जी.
sustain for next 15 days to 20
जी.
days. So I was just walking the marketplace and then there were two person who were just looking at the shop. तो हमने उनको बोला कि अरे आप नहीं खरीद रहे हो. So they were the known people basically. They said अरे हमें मौका पहले मिले तब तो मैं खरीदूंगा वहां से. तो मैंने बोला क्यों, आपके पास पैसे नहीं है. बोले बात पैसे की नहीं है, अगर हम खरीद भी लेते वो तो 4 दिन का होगा. तो मुझे नहीं पता कि 4 दिन के बाद अगर खुल गया तो फिर मैं कैसे सस्टेन करूंगा, बिकॉज आई नीड टू हैव माई कैपिटल ऑल्सो फॉर माई लिविंग. ठीक है. सो देयर वाज अ पॉइंट, कुछ लोग बेशुमार जाकर खरीद रहे थे, कुछ लोग नहीं खरीद रहे थे. आई केम होम, आई सेड दैट My safety is also important. I am also worried about COVID-19. I'm also
Of
very
course.
hit about why, if I get affected or if I get positive, then definitely my life would be in the danger situation. Then I started thinking about myself, that what if I go to the community, I teach them what about the community leadership. And it so started with sitting with my laptop, getting connected with the local people through non-profit organization, through my friends connect. And I said, I need people to come and help me, and we will not be going anywhere. We will make them as a community leader. It's not always important the A community will go to the B community. Why not we create that A community within the A community, where the A community people will understand their own requirement, and we will support them in whatever the manner we can. So I still remember
Right.
the very first day I kept with my laptop and I started thinking कि पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे. So I started, making them the volunteer leader, making them the community leader, so that they can scope their community needs better, rather me going to their community and understanding their need, because they know their community well.
Hmm.
ठीक है. So जब मैंने उनको responsibility दिया कि they must be knowing the people who really need some sort of a help, maybe the down the line say 10
जी.
4 days. तो उनके पास से जब हमारे requirements आने लगे ना, those requirements are very genuine, and we make it very transparent, that whatever the payment has we received during this pandemic, we pay to the vendor directly, and the vendor communicated to these local leaders. This is where we sustaining. जरूरी नहीं कि आप सोशल वर्क कर रहे हैं तो आप बाहर जाए. अभी तो पैंडेमिक में एक
Hmm.
सोशल वर्क पैशन था ना, क्योंकि आपको घर से बाहर जाने नहीं मिल
जी.
रहा था. You have to go with a bike ride. So आप एक स्टिकर लगा देते हैं, फूड मील, फूड डोनेशन, ये donation, वो donation. This was not a donation. This was basically you really wanted to go out and no one can stop, especially the police
Yeah.
stop you.
And also, Tanvir, I feel this was more of a self-endorsement.
Absolutely.
Everyone was in this pandemic, everyone was trying to showcase in the social media basically that listen, I'm doing something for the society. Or see how kind I am.
Absolutely.
So this was something, yeah, because you mentioned this before as well. I wanted to ask you this question. I don't know whether this is too political or not, but of course this is very controversial, but because you have mentioned it twice, I want to ask that you mentioned कि सब लोग दिखाने के लिए सोशल वर्क में जाते हैं. आपको क्या लगता है कि सोशल वर्क में लोग दिखाने के लिए, ऑफ कोर्स दिखाने के लिए, जैसा कि सोशल मीडिया का चलन अभी आया है, सबको दिखाना है कि हाउ काइंड दे आर, बट टेल मी द ग्राउंड रियलिटी, ये करने से बुरा इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा? कर रहे हैं दैट वी नो, बट सोसाइटी में इसका बुरा इम्पैक्ट भी पड़ता है. Tell me
Absolutely.
that.
See, I'll start with one statement. So, community service has become a new trend in this pandemic, and it's a
Yeah,
pure statement, correct? Now, coming back to
yeah.
the reality, uh, see, हम भी जब कोई corporate से donation लेते हैं, see, if I literally ask you, Pravina, that there is a community who needs a support, maybe in the mode of a cash or a kind, you are a very
Yeah.
kind person and you are ready to go. But then at the same time, we need to keep a very transparent figure or transparent report saying that your help or your support is actually going to the community. So to make this
Hmm.
transparent, we need few pictures for the report, especially for the corporate, especially for the organization. But
Hmm.
then we don't need too many pictures. अब जैसे कि there are two
Right.
things. हम सपोज करो कोई कम्युनिटी में जाकर, जैसे कि I have contributed a lot, my people have contributed a lot, we have never taken a picture while giving. वी
Hmm.
हैव नेवर डन दैट. जैसे हम किसी को कुछ दे रहे हैं और उसको एक पिक्चर ले रहे हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट व्हाट वी डिड, जो हमने सामान दिया था ना उसके पिक्चर्स हमने क्लिक करके अपने डोनर्स को भेजा था. और एक दो पिक्चर्स हमने जो लिया था जब वो सामान रिसीव कर कर खुश हो रहे थे, वो जो इमोशन था वो मोमेंट को हमने कैप्चर करके रिपोर्ट में डाला था. निड नॉट नेसेसरी, बिकॉज इस पैंडेमिक में हमें ये पता चला है कि गरीब वो नहीं है जिनके पास पैसे नहीं है, गरीब वो है जिनके पास दिल नहीं है बेसिकली. सो the end reality here is we need publicity, we need 2 3 pictures for the social media, and that is very true, because हम कुछ लोगों के लिए ये publicity होता है और कुछ लोगों के लिए ये mode of inspiration होता है to inspire as many as people. Now it is up to
Right.
you how you making it happen, how you using the
Right.
communication in a better way, how you actually
Hmm.
utilizing those pictures or those content in a better way. So मैंने भी तो
Right.
if you go to the group Kolkata Heroes, you will see that हमने जो भी contribute किया, we have never given any single picture of any beneficiaries in the group, but still we have given all the product picture जो हमें चाहिए था, जो हम सामान भेज रहे थे, वो क्वालिटी के पिक्चर्स हमने भेजे, एंड पीपल वे वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड वी केप्ट वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट सेइंग दैट हम ये कम्युनिटी में ये टाइम में ये सामान भेज रहे हैं, इफ यू रियली वांट टू गो एंड चेक, प्लीज गो एंड चेक, बट प्लीज डू नॉट कीप एनी पिक्चर्स. If you don't trust, then probably don't contribute. So when I say that I am brand of myself, and I know if you really go to my Facebook, you'll find that TK, Tanveer Khan. So I see myself as a brand, and brand comes with a lot of transparency, with a lot of trust. And why this trust? Because people love me a lot and I love them a lot. So it's also two ways. So where you into social, you need 2-3 pictures for the report, which are very basic. But never disgrade anyone saying that. क्योंकि see suppose अपने घर के बच्चों को कभी हम कुछ देते हैं तो देते हुए पिक्चर्स उठाते हैं क्या? नहीं उठाते हैं ना. बट कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, उनको सामान देकर, उनको टॉयज देकर हम उनके पिक्चर एक इमोशन क्लिक कर लेते हैं. You can click those emotion and always make sure that whenever you clicking any pictures, please go and softly ask them that हम लोग ये पिक्चर सोशल मीडिया में यूज करने वाले हैं ताकि और भी लोग आकर आपको और आप जैसे लोगों को मदद करें. सो द कंसेंट शुड बी देयर, भले उनको पता हो ना हो सोशल मीडिया क्या है क्या नहीं होगा. से सपोज अगर आपको कोई नीड हुआ and somebody has given you something, and all of a sudden after 3-4 months you got to see your picture viral in social media, what will be your reaction? So please yaar, they were actually looking somebody to stand with them. आप एक किसी को एक मील खाना देकर और एक महीने का राशन देकर एहसान नहीं कर रहे हैं. You are giver when they were a receiver, so you are as equally as important as they are. Understand the both way. You could be the next one in the zone because nothing can be guaranteed in this situation right now. So let's not degrade anyone. Always uplift them. So मैं कहीं नहीं गया, but still I supported. मतलब I have figure around 15,000 families more or less. So मैं नहीं गया, but then you know I know that there are community leaders, because why I need to go and send and risk the volunteer life. Why not we make them a volunteer too in the community, because they know their community well. Because if I go, I will be going for 2 hours, but they are staying in their community for 24 hours. Yeah, there are a lot of challenges that you need to meet in terms of logistics and everything. That is something that you need to have a good team to work on. And end of the day, bonding is what one thing that really matters. If you are transparent, then people will be transparent to you. And if you are not transparent, then people will not transparent to you. Right. And you must have seen a lot of COVID warrior also. So certificate तो मतलब पानी के जैसा इस बार फंसा है कि सब COVID warriors है, सब COVID. I'm very happy at one moment, but at the same moment, try and leverage, try and understand, and try put people in place. You can't एक वक्त का खाना देकर you cannot become a COVID warrior. I'm sorry to say this. Right. And I'm sorry to pronounce this in this platform, but again want to tell you, more important, yes, it's not about giving, it's also about receiving, and receiving could be respect, love. So when you go next time, they should accept you. So the exception, of course, be there. I'm sorry I have spoken a lot here.
No, that's okay. That's okay. That's completely fine, because what you said was very important to be conveyed to people. बहुत जरूरी था इस मुद्दे पे भी बात करना. Moving ahead, Tanvi, you work for an organization named Speak the Cause. So what is the cause you're working right now?
So it was not an organization, basically. It's just a kind of an initiative which we started 3-4 years back with couple of my friends. Especially why the name Speak the Cause, because हम cause तो बहुत करते हैं. अरे, I'm supporting women empowerment, I'm supporting child welfare. Nobody speaks about it. So speaking about it here is because आप एक वक्त किसी को बुलाकर फोटो खींचकर कुछ नहीं करने वाले. You need to work upon the sustainability of their community. And especially, so I'm not saying that if there are 2,000 in a community, I may not be the sufficient person or an organization to support them. And my biggest, why they Speak the Cause, because I really want to prove that not only, why it is only, if I really want to do this social work, why we need an organization. It should come from your heart. You need a good team. That's it. You need to set up a non-profit organization, and then only you can proceed. Non-profit organization are required when there are loads of work. When you need a proper team, specialized team to work upon, then only you can structure an organization and work upon it. But you, if you are just a, say, a monthly donor or a monthly sort of a contributor, then I don't think that you require कि अरे साल में ठंडी आई और अपने ठंडे में ब्लैंकेट दे दिया, गर्मी आई तो फ्रूट्स खिला दिया, doesn't makes you a social warrior. I'm
Of
sorry.
course.
Just you do
Yeah.
it because you really want to achieve a lot of likes in Facebooks and a lot of comments saying that good work, good work, good work, good work. But actually, the good work lies with among you only. Matlab, it is with you, stands with you only. So, Speak the Cause is nothing. Just started with a group of friends saying that we really wanted to highlight few communities which were at the back. So, our major goal was not to give them the job, but to give them the respect. And we started with Rack Pickers community that time, and we did a couple of events. I would like to highlight one event, which was basically
Yeah.
Dine in Dialogue. So Dine in Dialogue, where we invited some good top-notch people of Calcutta to come on board. At the same time, we invited 10 superheroes of the communities like the Rack Pickers to come on board and have a dinner. And while having a dinner, let's have a conversation. So while in conversation, they spoke about their challenges, they spoke about their good work, they spoke about their achievements, and they were the people who said yes, ki, Arey, I really wanted to do this thing for them. So it's all about connecting people. I believe that if we connect more people, then more achievements are there, then more impact are there. So my work or my cause are like in this way that I am not the only one who doing. It's like Kolkata Heroes is not only contributing. We actually bridge gapping non-profits to the volunteers, to the corporates. It's also vice versa this way. So we say that we are a bridge gapper platform, and we're not a non-profit. So Kolkata Hero is not a non-profit organization. It's just a social initiative to bring people together. That's simple.
Right. Um, Talking about this because you're working as a development sector professional, what developments you think our society requires right now, both as a society and as an individual level, what we can do?
I think what I said, मतलब मैं बहुत देर से एक ही चीज बोलते जा रहा हूँ, एक्सेप्टिंग एक्सेप्टिंग एक्सेप्टिंग. सो कुछ कुछ चीजें होती है ना कि हम ब्लेम गेम को खत्म कर दें. मतलब बहुत सारे
जी.
ब्लेम गेम हमारे पास में, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम इजीली किसी को भी ब्लेम कर सकते हैं. तो पहली चीज जो है कि ब्लेम करना कम कीजिए एंड काम कीजिए. मतलब did not necessarily कि it should be a social work, it should be like you who doing it, but it should come
Hmm.
from your own way and should not forced by uh, any banner or any organization or
Hmm.
any group of people.
Of
And
course.
you should inculcate these things in your children also. And जरूरी नहीं है कि आप से एक community से दूसरी community में जाएंगे. It's also important that I think the charity starts from your neighbor only. ठीक है. So you have to see your neighbor, then you have to see your own community, then you have to see your family, friends, and XYZ. Why to always go out of the box and support other people जिसको आप जानते नहीं हो, जिसको आप जानते हो, जिसको जरूरत है, पहले आप उनको सपोर्ट कीजिए. This should be my sort of a suggestion and a request to all the people that charity का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप ऐसे कुछ किसी को लोगों को जाकर खाना खिला दो, चैरिटी हो जाती है. Definitely they need you to help them, but before that, do you really think that आपके relatives में, आपके friends में, they're okay, they're in okay condition? In this pandemic, everyone has been hit by, correct? So instead of
Yeah.
going to the communities which are long far and which you don't know, rather start supporting your own people. If you start
Yeah.
doing it for your own people, they'll start doing for their own people. This is how the chain will go on. So now,
Of
अगर ये
course.
chain रहेगा ना, I am sure that there will be people who will be there to sustain and support you for a long. So development sector, see why this development sector basically, that I was working for an organization called I Volunteer, which I joined in 2010. So I started as assistant relationship manager, then I was relationship manager, then probably the regional manager. And in this tenure of 10 years in this company, I got to learn that how corporate can bring a change in the society through the CSR fund. I got to know that how NGOs can actually make their objectives strong and create that impact story in the society. How volunteers can actually contribute their time, skills, and they should be passionate about to make a difference in the society. So when I have seen 3 slots all in together, and when we started, creating projects which are sustainable, then only I can call myself a development sector. So the person who's actually working for a sector specific, they are called the development sector professionals. So I'm working for this social sector, the development sector, where I really want people to come and do a change. So it's actually a developing where, and we are in a developing nation though. So yeah, I'm there for so that is how my tagline stated here as a development sector, because I'm working for the development of the nation in whatever the capacity or the frame I can, be it with the non-profits, be it with the support of corporates, be it with the support of the local or the individual. Because I feel that if we unite together, we can create a power of change. That's important.
या वेरी वेल सेड एक्चुअली हम लोग हमेशा हर किसी को कोसने में जाते हैं सबसे पहले तो गवर्नमेंट अभी
Absolutely.
दिवाली हुए सबसे पहले पटाखे नहीं फोड़ने थे फिर भी हमने फोड़े और नाले में फेंक दिए और फिर जब फ्लड्स होगा बाय एनी चांस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम अगर खराब हो जाएगा तो फिर हम बोलेंगे गवर्नमेंट कुछ करता ही नहीं है नाउ व्हाट कैन वी डू नाउ what you can do is that you are not supposed to ऐसे ही नहीं फेंकना है ड्रेन में क्योंकि it's not मतलब धसेगा नहीं अंदर वो ऊपर में ही जमा रहेगा एंड इट्स वेरी डर्टी दिल्ली का भी बहुत खराब हाल हो गया इस वजह से तो या दिस फॉर श्योर कि हमारी एक टेंडेंसी होती है दूसरों पे नाम डाल देने की कि आपकी गलती है आपकी वजह से हो रहा है which we should somewhere हमें समझना चाहिए this year has been a roller coaster and हमने बहुत कुछ देखा और सीखा by both ways I think पहले pandemic and then natural disasters एक के बाद एक it has definitely made अगर अभी भी कोई नहीं समझना चाहता है then I don't know what to say on that well but talking about rec because you are working for this community आपको क्या लगता है या आपका क्या एनालिसिस है उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट देने का उनको इज्जत हमारे सोसाइटी में देने का आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या करना चाहिए हमें या गवर्नमेंट या जो भी आपका एनालिसिस है
करेक्ट सो एक चीज मैं हाईलाइट यहाँ पे करना चाहूंगा स्पेशली द रैकपिकर्स कम्युनिटी दे हैव देयर ओन एसोसिएशन and there are NGOs that are strongly working for them. See what I believe in, अगर हम कोई काम कर रहे हैं, say if I'm working for a say child welfare or a women empowerment and specific community, say in Calcutta is a huge place, right? So I need to be very brief saying that Calcutta में कौन सी community and community में कौन सा belt and कौन से belt में कौन सी families को we are supporting. So अभी NGOs में अगर आप देखें अगर आप पूछे क्या काम करते हैं, what is your NGO objective, they'll bluntly say that we work on women empowerment in Calcutta. अरे Calcutta is huge. So when you saying women empowerment, then आप क्या कर रहे हैं? And कर रहे हैं तो किसके साथ कर रहे हैं? कहाँ कर रहे हैं? What specific? So people are not very specific. So I really want to request all the NGO people also, please be specific on your thing that आप say if you help us to understand that you are supporting in this area, there are other organizations which can take the other area. So this is how we can actually make a change or a pool of areas where we can actually develop more. Now coming back to the rack pickers, there is an organization called Tiljala Shed. So I was initially like a volunteer to them and was volunteering my time and everything. Uske baad I supported them in whatever the capacity I can. It was just the kind of, as you said, the roller coaster in my life as a volunteer. And जब से मैं ये 2010 से I started volunteering my time all Saturdays. चाहे वो मॉर्निंग टाइम में हो, आफ्टरनून में हो, इवनिंग में हो, मैं हमेशा कोई ना कोई एनजीओ में दिखता था बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू ग्रैब द नॉलेज, वांटेड टू लर्न अबाउट द कम्युनिटीज, बिकॉज घर पे बैठकर कम्युनिटीज के बारे में आप नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे, आपको कम्युनिटीज में जाना पड़ेगा, आपको एनजीओ में बैठना पड़ेगा, तो सारे सीनियर्स लोगों से बैठकर सीखना पड़ेगा. अभी क्या सोचता है ना कि अरे मैं तो डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर प्रोफेशनल हूं, मैं तो सोशल वर्कर हूं, मैं किसी से क्यों सीखूं. ये बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है. आई थिंक आप किसी से भी सीख सकते हैं, एक 5 साल का बच्चा भी आपको सिखा सकता है. सो माय ओनली टेक इज कि आपको अगर कोई सिखा रहा है, अगर आपको पता भी है ना, आप फिर भी सीखिए, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो. अगर आप 10 चीजें जानते हैं, वो आपको 10 चीजें और बताएगा, हो सकता है 2 चीजें आप नहीं जानते हो 10 चीजों में. तो इट्स ऑल स्टार्टेड, देयर वाज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉल्ड तिलजला शेड who were working with the rack pick of a past almost 40 years, and they have made a huge change in their community. We were only the support to them. So I will never say that we were the only one to make a create or a impact to their life. No, we were not alone. माई ओनली पॉइंट इज कि मैं जब भी जाता था कहीं पे, आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कनेक्ट द लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, like minded organizations. If it is a rack picker, then who are the like minded organization working for the same cause, who are the individual who are working for the rack pickers, and who are the corporate who really want to work with the rack pickers. So if we come together as a group, or if we come together as a change, then only we can create a change. Alone you cannot do anything. So बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता ना, अरे हमने तो ये किया, हमने तो वो नहीं किया. Actually अकेले कोई नहीं करता. And see, to go to a community you need a hand holding, and NGOs at times actually helps you to handhold thing, because day in day out they're working with the same community, and they know their community is better also, so they will help you to understand and scope out the need. As I was saying in the beginning कि खाना, see pandemic में बहुत सारे लोग वैन लेकर खाना लेकर बांट रहे थे, which was very good and I appreciated them. But suppose कोई अगर रास्ते में बैठा है, आप उसको खाना देकर निकल गए without knowing उसको खाना चाहिए था कि नहीं चाहिए था, without knowing what was the actual need. So आप अगर वो खाना नहीं खाया, then वो खाना वेस्ट हो गया, वो किसी और भूखे को जा सकता था. सो गलती हमारी भी है ना, कि देना जरूरी नहीं है, जरूरी ये है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपको किसको देना है और क्यों देना है. देयर वाज आल्सो टेंडेंसी ऑफ हमारे लाइफ तो बहुत सिंपल है, हमें शॉर्टकट्स चाहिए होती है. तो पेंडेमिक में हम तो खिचड़ी हमारे शॉर्टकट्स थी. यार इमेजिन करो आपकी लाइफ, आपको रोज सुबह शाम खिचड़ी मिले, then how do you sustain, boss? You also need some change, right? So my simple point is, आप रोटी बना लो, सब्जी बना लो, ऐसी चीजें दो जो कम से कम बंदा का दोपहर में ना खा पाए तो रात में खा पाए, रात में ना खा पाए तो सुबह तक तो खा पाए. खिचड़ी 4 घंटे जाती है, 4 घंटे बाद तो रात का भी नहीं बनेगा, सुबह तो दूर की बात हो जाती है. सो हम काम करना बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, बट काम कितने अच्छे से हो सकता है ये हमें पता नहीं होती है. सो हाई टाइम इज दैट. Absolutely, you need to understand why you doing it, and yeah, definitely you need a shortcut to do it, but understand that why you giving food. तो अगर हम उसके पास जाकर सिंपल एक बोले कि हाय हेलो आपको भूख लगी है क्या, मेरे पास ये खिचड़ी है मैं आपको दूं, आप खाएंगे क्या, it just take 2 minutes to say. पैंडेमिक में लोग खाना से ज्यादा उनको सहानुभूति चाहिए था, उनको एक कंधा चाहिए था तो रो सके, अपनी बात बोल सके, बिकॉज रास्ते में तो कोई दिख ही नहीं रहे थे. तो you need to understand that human touch, and if there are human touch, then you can do well. So that was my here.
With what you said, I can completely now understand why people say you are a people's person, because with all this conversation we have had, I am definitely sure that now I know why people say you like this. Well, now as we are moving ahead to the end of our discussion, तनवीर, आप बहुत लोगों के साथ काम किए, आप बहुत अलग अलग माइंडसेट्स के साथ काम किए, बिकॉज अलग अलग तरह के लोगों का अलग अलग विजन होता है, अलग अलग काम करने का तरीका होता है, सबका थिंकिंग प्रोसेस अलग होता है. बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी का जो सोशल मीडिया स्पेस आया है वो समवेयर शैलो बना रहा है हमारे वर्ल्ड को. हम लोग जैसे कि जब हम लोग काम भी करने जाते सोशल वर्क फॉर इंस्टेंस, तो वो भी हमें सोशल मीडिया में बहुत ज्यादा दिखाना होता है, सबको दिखाना है कि हम ये कर रहे हैं, देखो ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर. समवेयर वर्ल्ड हम लोग सोसाइटी एक शैलो कर रहा है ये सारी चीजें. I'm not directly putting it on social media, but society as a whole, that this is how we are becoming. And because we have worked with so many people, so many different people who works in a very different way, tell me your perception on human mind and what people are becoming in this society, in this world.
हाँ, so like अगर सोशल वर्क से हटकर अगर देखी जाए यहाँ पे, तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, and I'm sure that you must have experienced this also. हम कभी कभी अपने घरों में रहते हैं, सब साथ बैठे होते हैं, बट मोबाइल में लगे हुए रहते हैं. तो हम साथ तो होते हैं बट साथ नहीं होते हैं.
हमेशा
हाँ, साथ होते हैं बट साथ नहीं होते हैं. हम ऐसे लोगों से कनेक्ट करते हैं जो हमारे से दूर है. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि सोशल मीडिया जस्ट द टेक्नोलॉजी, इट्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू कनेक्ट पीपल जिनके साथ आप क्लोज नहीं हो. बट द पीपल जिसके साथ आप क्लोज हो, उसके लिए टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं चाहिए, उसके लिए आपका वक्त चाहिए टू जस्ट बी विद देम. दिस वन सिंपल थिंग. नाउ सेकंड थिंग इज कमिंग बैक टू दैट पीपल यूज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी. आज तो आप देखिए फेसबुक पे कोई अगर बाहर जा रहा है तो वो भी डालता है, कोई खाना खा रहा है तो भी डालता है, कोई वॉशरूम जाता तो डालता है, कोई कपड़े चेंज करता तो डालता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. कुछ लोगों को अपनी प्राइवेसी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, कुछ लोगों को अपनी privacy दिखानी होती है, तो it also depend one on one. Now coming back to which is right, which is wrong, here there is no right, there is no wrong. It is okay not to be okay in one statement. So but आप कुछ भी करो,
It's
say
about
suppose
choices, I feel.
Absolutely. So it's all about your choices. Like कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ना, अरे यार मेरे को तो ये जॉब नहीं मिला, मेरे को तो बड़ी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करनी मिली. यार, it was not your compromise. You were at all ready with the choice. It was not a compromise, but basically your choice to go for it. Correct? And using social, I would always recommend that you should be in social media because social media helps you to connect with larger audience. आप एट अ टाइम दो लोगों से बात कर सकते हो या दो लोगों को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो बात बोलकर 5 मिनट में. बट अगर 5 मिनट में एक वीडियो आप छोड़ते हो, यू कैन कनेक्ट टू लार्जर ऑडियंस, 1,500 डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ योर क्राउड. तो यूज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर द बेस्ट. कुछ कुछ चीजें होती है, जैसे आई सेड मेंशन दैट व्हेनेवर यू गोइंग टू द कम्युनिटी, हम फटाक से, हमारी आदत होती है ना, मोबाइल निकाला, सेल्फी क्लिक कर लिया. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद अस? अगर हमारे बच्चों के साथ आकर कोई सेल्फी लेकर डाल दे फेसबुक में, आर वी दैट प्रो? हम डालने देंगे? अगर वो आपसे
No.
नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनके पास जुबान नहीं है, वो मजबूर होते हैं. उनको लगता है कि चलो भाई, ये करने से अगर हमें कुछ बेनिफिट्स मिल जाए, बट एक्चुअली हम बेनिफिट्स नहीं देते हैं. हम एक चॉकलेट का बॉक्स देके चिल्ड्रन डे में और 20 पिक्चर्स निकाल कर रोल आउट करते हैं, हमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, बहुत अच्छा काम. डेफिनेटली आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, बट आप कम से कम उनसे परमिशन तो ले लीजिए कि हम आपके पिक्चर्स डालने वाले हैं. एंड आप अगर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस में भी देखें, चाइल्ड राइट कमीशन में भी देखें, बहुत सारे प्रोटोकॉल्स है. सो माय ओनली सजेशन वुड बी कि जितने सारे नॉर्म्स हमारे गवर्नमेंट्स के जो रूल्स रेगुलेशंस हैं, हमारे कमीशंस के जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं, प्लीज 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 आप जाके रीड कीजिए एंड उसको फॉलो कीजिए. यूज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर द बेस्ट. आप किसी के भी पिक्चर्स डाल रहे हैं या वीडियो डाल रहे हैं, इंश्योर दैट आप उनसे पूछ के डाल रहे हैं. एज सिंपल एज दैट. इट कुड बी एनीवन, इट कुड बी यू, और इट कुड बी द पीपल यू आर वर्किंग फॉर.
True.
I
Now
I
that we are ending, yeah.
I
Now
hope I
that we are ending, sorry.
I said I hope I have summarized the entire conversation.
Yeah, definitely. Now that we are ending this conversation, Tanvi, tell me your message to our audience.
So I will start with because I pledge for. So my message only because I have seen this I pledge growing. I have seen this I pledge as a platform where donors are not only donors, they're the trust givers. They're basically people who love people, correct? So if you really want to do and raise funds, it could be anyone, be it an individual, be it an organization. Always go and log into iPledge, create your own campaign, and easily you can run your campaign. And there are the team who can actually supports you. Because why I'm saying this, Kolkata, Hero was firmly associated with this iPledge for in terms of raising funds, and it was very smooth, and they were very transparent, and especially they were very say technology person who can help you with many things, so understanding in terms of finances and everything. So please 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 go. And my simple thing is, way social work is a social work. Keep doing it. Keep loving people, and definitely keep love yourself also, because when you not love yourself, you cannot love others. So keep doing.
Yeah.
And तीन चीजें याद रख लेना कि कुछ भी करने से पहले, it's not about donating food or anything. It's also about donating or contributing your time and skills. सिर्फ खाना देने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. You have to contribute your time and skills and be like a passionate people. And जो भी करे आप दिल खोल के करें, अच्छे से करें. And thank you, Praveena. You've been a great host, and I'm sure that मैंने
Thank you
बहुत
so
किया
much.
आपका.
I am so happy to host you actually. It's
Thank you.
such a wonderful experience to talk to a person like you. It's my pleasure, I think. So thank you
Thank you.
so much for coming to our platform, Humans of Giving. And please ask our audience to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
एब्सोल्युटली. सी आप देखिए, आप तो अगर आपको कोई लाइक करे तो कितनी अच्छी लगती है, तो मुझे भी कोई जब लाइक करता है तो मुझे भी अच्छी लगती है. तो प्लीज गो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे चेन स्टोरीज आपके सामने आने वाले हैं. जस्ट नॉट ओनली I'm just one of them, small one of them. There are big stories coming up down the line, and please 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 subscribe. And अगर आप मुझे प्यार करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली लाइक जरूर करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Yeah. थैंक यू सो मच तनवीर फॉर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और इतना सपोर्ट दिखाने के लिए. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Pleasure is all mine.